Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What's happening in Assam, India? Since May 2025, thousands of Muslim homes have been bulldozed. The government says it's clearing illegal settlers. But Human Rights Watch reports that people with voter IDs, land papers, even names on official citizenship lists were thrown out. Human Rights Watch also says hundreds were pushed across the border into Bangladesh with no legal process. And many say the Hindu nationalist government is following in the footsteps of its close ally Israel, using bulldozers and borders against Muslims, not only in Assam but all over India. Amnesty International has reported on India's widespread, unlawful demolitions of Muslims' homes, businesses and places of worship. Assam's chief minister from the Hindu nationalist BJP defends it by calling it a fight against infiltration, but rights groups and critics call it targeted ethnic cleansing. Now thousands sleep in open fields, including women, children and elders, under plastic sheets with no toilets or clean water. This isn't justice, it's state-backed cleansing. This isn't about law and order, it's about power, fear, and a growing pattern of religious discrimination in India.